It's our third night of Hanukkah, and Parker chose which gift he was going to open, and this is what he opened. Parker, what did you open?
I opened the Harry Potter Lego.
Wow.
Thank you for giving it. I like it.
Parker, what was your reaction when you opened it? What did you do?
What?
What did you do when you opened it? How did you react?
I was excited.
Okay, Taylor, come here. Tell.
Wait, Mom.
Okay, tell Grandma.
Video.
Yeah, okay, this is your video. So what did you do? What did you open? I know. Go.
I opened the entire.
It's like Christmas Village.
The Christmas Village. Look, it has a mail truck with real mail you can put in the mailbox. It's got a doggy and he's gonna put the bone on.
Look this way, Taylor.
It's got a guy with a shovel. It's got a woman getting ready to do that thing. It's got little Christmas lights. It's got a banjo. It's got a trumpet. It's got a light up wrist.
So Taylor.
It's got a snowflake.
So what do you think?
I love it. And it even has snow on top of it.
And what do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, and light bulbs.
Happy Hanukkah.
Bye. Love you.